Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2005 American Ironhorse Legend that I want to show you. This is a beautiful low mileage chopper. It's got 1,653 miles on it, so it hasn't been ridden a lot. The bike comes with a 111 S&S motor and a 6-speed transmission. It's a beautiful paint scheme on here. See a little rock peck here. It looks like the paint's trying to turn loose just a little bit right there. Got a good tire on the front, chrome front end, beautiful rims. Steel braided cables. Nice color matched frame. All the pegs, pedals, switches and buttons, everything looks really nice on it. Right side drive chopper, so it handles really nice. 2-into-1 header exhaust. I noticed some scratching here on the muffler. I don't know what would have caused that. Maybe something got on there and somebody tried to scratch it off with a razor blade or something. I don't know. All steel braided lines. Sissy bar on the back. Got a really good tire on the rear. Soft-tail bike, so it's got a pretty decent ride. Got you a battery tender on it here, battery tender lead. She's beautiful. Ride's good too. I just got through riding it. I'll fire it off and let you give it a listen. Cranks right up, no issues with that. We ran it through the shop and checked it out, so she's ready to go. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.